Alright guys, I'm just going to walk you through how to do the rest because my phone keeps dying in the middle of me taking stuff apart. So, the next thing you're going to want to do is to pull off the rocker arms and pull out the push rods. So, it's just a 15mm bolt, or 15mm socket anyway. 3 of them on both sides. After you do that, you can just pull the rocker arms up. That's all one unit, so it'll all come up together. And then just pull out each of the rods. I personally don't like to mix things up, so I like to set them in a way that I'll remember which each one went to. And then after that, all you gotta do is pull off the, well actually technically, the next thing that you want to do after that is take the same socket and take off the 3 bolts that are in each of these mounts, because these are attached to your heads. And then after that, you can go ahead and take a T55 and pull off the head studs. And then just do everything in reverse order to put it back together. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.